It's important not to oversleep. It's important to wake up early. Now, today, I would like to discuss the importance of waking up at 4:30 a.m. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. Why is it important? One, at this time, there is no interruption. Secondly, you are going to have extra 2 hours every day, which will total to 14 hours per day and then 30 days per year, which is quite a lot of time to achieve so much. Number 3, waking up early in the morning it has always been one of the great secrets of success by most successful people around the world. Successful people, great people who have achieved much, they wake up around this time. 4, you are less likely to procrastinate. If you wake up at 4:30 a.m., it is very unlikely for you to be postponing things because you will be having a lot of time to do whatever you have planned for the day. Number 5, it also helps you to build discipline and a good time to exercise. Exercise is very good for your health. And if you wake up early, you are likely to become disciplined and you do some exercise before engaging with other day's activities, before you take your breakfast and preparing to go to work or otherwise. You are more likely to get the work done when you wake up at 4:30. You have also a mental edge over other people. And finally, you are able to build a momentum for the day ahead. You wake up, you are able to start the day with less stress. And so, you have a relaxed time, you are able to do meditation, you are also able to do some reflection, and so it also helps you in your productivity. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I welcome your comments in the comment section in a moment with Rukwaru. Have a great day. Thank you. I value you.